So hello guys, welcome back in my channel. My name is Aman Kumar. Today we have a one vacancy in HDFC Bank. Basically, lots of people were messaged me like they wanted to know about the upcoming vacancy. So today I'm going to talk about the one of the vacancy which is in Lucknow location. Basically, the bank is HDFC Bank. There is basically a multiple profile like customer support associate, and also there is a sales associate vacancy will be there. So in this video session, I'm going to tell you what will be the date when you will have to reach and where you have to reach and how much and what is the basically requirement for this particular job. I'm going to discuss about these all the things. So if you have at least 1 year of experience, at least having one year of experience, then you can watch this video and you will get a great value from this video. Okay, so I will go with first requirement is basically like if you have done any kind of graduation like BA, BCom, BSc, BTech anywhere, then you can join this organization. The second requirement is basically at least you have 1 year of experience in customer support associate or any other stream on paper basically. Okay, if you have this, then also you can apply for this particular role. And the address, first I would like to tell you the date is going to be a 5th of September. It's an interview date, okay, in Lucknow Hajatganj. The complete address is basically number 38 Pranay Tower, Darbari Lal Sharma Marg, Hajatganj, Lucknow 226001 is a pic code. Okay, so this is basically the complete address. And and 5th of September, 10 to 2 p.m. is going to be interview. Okay, so you can reach directly to the office. I have already tell you the basically address, and you can directly go and reach to the office and give the interview. And if you want more clarity, so I will share with you the link in a description, so you can also check out the complete detail related to this job. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and forward this video who have a requirement for a job currently, so they can also get some kind of opportunities in it. On the regular basis, I'm uploading videos related to the job and updates. So if you are looking for a job, so this channel is going to be very helpful. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.